Well, would you look at that? You just earned $300, and the day has just begun. A couple of hours passed, then look, another 300. The payment notifications just keep rolling like clockwork. This is something that has become commonplace for myself and a lot of others who know the secret to making lots of money online. From what I've heard, only a handful of people know about this strategy. But since you are my loyal subscribers, I'll be sharing it to you so you can break free from your 9 to 5 and achieve the success that will afford you the lifestyle you truly deserve. You won't need to put in any financial investment here since this strategy is 100% free. All you need for this method to work and for you to earn income is either a mobile phone or your computer and internet access. Now, what we'll have to use here is something related to Microsoft Word. What we have right here is a very unique strategy, but trust me, it's incredibly easy even for beginners who don't have any experience or any particular skills. Now, just pay close attention because this will be quite detailed. Nothing too complicated though. This is going to be something that's going to change your financial situation for the better. Before anything else, I need you to go over to this website right here, which is called HireScene.com. On this website, you can find a lot of different online jobs that will let you work from home and make a lot of money online. In just a second, I'll be showing you how you can utilize Microsoft Word and get paid every single day. If you take a look over here, it says Online Work from Home Opportunities. It's totally free to register. You don't have to pay a single cent at all to get started here. This opportunity is even available for anybody from anywhere in the world. It shows here there are a lot of different online jobs that you can do to make money online. That includes typing jobs, proofreading, paid surveys, and so on. Now what we want to do is scroll down below, and here we'll find graphic designing, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheet entry jobs, and there are so many other opportunities to make money despite being a beginner. In this video, I'll be showing you how you could save yourself tons of time and the best way you could make money here on this website so you could focus all of your efforts there. Now, go over to the proofreading jobs. It says here that the pay is anywhere between $5 and $10 for every page of a document. You really only have to check the spelling and look for grammatical errors. If you think you're no good at English, it's no problem. You don't have to talk to anyone. And absolutely no prior experience is required in this job. In a little bit, I'll be showing you a real-life example of a job that I'm personally working on from this website. Here there are 2 pages and the website pays you $20 because for this particular case, they pay you $10 per page. So that's $20 for this 2-page document right here. You can do this over and over again. Now, when you click on this link, it's going to lead you to this page where you can become an online virtual proofreader. And don't get scared, it's a lot easier than you might think. I'll be showing you a couple of free software near the end of the video that you can use to automate your work. So be sure to stick around long enough to figure out what they are. So the reason why I love using this website is because they pay great competitive rates versus other websites who offer the same type of work. At $10 per page, it's already a really good rate. And to make it even better, they've got very flexible hours. You can literally work as much or as little as you want, and you can do all of it in the comfort of your own home. All you'll need is a mobile phone or your computer and an internet connection. Now I want to show you how we can sign up for a 100% free account, and the sign-up process is a little bit tricky, so make sure you keep watching to avoid any mistakes. When you scroll down below here, you can see this application procedure and the submission is 100% free. All you've got to do is just go and click on the white button right here that says Apply to be an online proofreader. Then that's going to take you to this page. When you scroll down below, you can see all of the steps that you need to complete in order to enroll and submit job applications. Go to this link right here and you'll be taken to this page. Here you will see the form submission rules. And when you scroll further down below, you'll get to this button which says Proceed to Application. Just click on this button which says Apply Now, and then that will take you to the online application form at HireScene.com. It can get a little tricky at this part, so feel free to dial back and re-watch the process so you don't miss anything important. If you take a look right here, you can see this application form. Now, it's important to note that there are a handful of questions that they'll ask you, and you'll have to answer properly so that you can get accepted, and then you would be able to start making money. Now, I'll show you everything step by step. Over here, they're asking you to fill in a username, then your name, last name, also your age, and your email address. Then they ask you to add a password and confirm your password. This next part is really important. Under Select Your Notice Period, make sure that you select immediately because that way you can get accepted within 24 hours. And once that happens, you can already start receiving different jobs right away and you can make money. So the next question now, the position you're interested in. You'll want to choose proofreading job because our method involves the use of Microsoft Word to make money. Now for the country selection over here, just pick whatever country you're from. Remember that this method is available in any country in the world. And now finally, for your current work status, simply choose freelancer. This is actually very important because the chance of getting accepted for freelancers is much higher compared to others. Let me now show you how you could properly write on this Brief Yourself section. You can start with something along these lines. Good day, my name is blank. I am very interested in applying for this proofreading job at HireScene. I am ready to start as soon as possible and am very open to receiving more job opportunities. Then you could continue with, I am known for getting jobs done quickly and on time with great client feedback. Once you've finished typing all of that up and adding your own twist, just go ahead and click on this box and then click on the blue register button. And that's it! Within 24 hours, you should be able to get accepted to join HireScene.com and start receiving files to work on so you can make money online. In our example right here, there are 2 pages of a Microsoft Word file. This is going to get us paid $20 once we're done with this job. At the rate you'll be able to go, you might be able to complete 10 jobs in just 1 hour. That's $200 for 1 hour of work. Take a look at this. You see, once you receive a Microsoft Word file like this, usually they're gonna have a lot of grammatical errors and some spelling mistakes. And the really great thing about Microsoft Word is that they automatically help you detect them. As you can see here, there are words and phrases that have these colored underlines. You can simply right-click and autocorrect them with a push of a button. It really is that simple. You just have to go through the whole document and just look out for colored underlines. Then simply right-click and autocorrect those errors. Repeat that again and again, and before you know it, you will have made yourself a lot of money. Now let me show you another software that can make everything that you need to do with this job a whole lot easier. Just go over to google.com and look up Reverso Speller. This is actually a free software, which is an automatic spelling checker, and basically, it is going to help you to check all grammar and spelling mistakes in English. What you now have to do is really simple. You just have to copy and paste all the text from the document that you're working on right here in this column. Then you can just click on this yellow button to check everything. All of this can be done with just a single click of a button. Just look at how simple it is. And then you can just repeat the same thing over and over again by copying the next line of text. Just go ahead and copy it, then come back here and just paste it in the next text right into the column once again. Then just click on the check button, and there you go. All grammar and spelling mistakes are corrected. With this method, you can easily earn $20 per Microsoft Word file, and you can just simply use Reverso Speller to get everything done for you. And that is how people like you and me from all over the world are making big money right now using Microsoft Word.